Hi, welcome to another Drive with Care video. In this video I'm going to take us around the ring road of Canterbury. Now there is one road closure, so I can't do the complete road, but what I'm going to do is start at the first part of the road closure and go all the way around till I get to the road closure. So what can I expect around Canterbury? Lots of traffic lights, lots of roundabouts, lots of pedestrians, and lots of lane changing. It's mostly 2 lanes all the way round. So come along and let's see. Did I show you the map? This is the map. I was going to show you the map of the road. So the weather is kind of stop and start. I've had the windscreen wipers on intermittent. I'm not even going to count the roundabouts. I'm just going to do my indicating where I need to for the ons and offs. For the most part, I'm going straight across roundabouts, so I won't need to do any of the, indicating rights and lefts. Just coming off the roundabout is the trick. There's the cathedral. It's not going to do to drive more than 30 miles an hour, for the most part 20 if the traffic allows. And I would imagine this is the kind of thing that if you were learning to drive, then you're going to be going around these kind of roads. So the road splits into 2 lanes ahead. The sign tells me left-hand lane for left-hand junction, so I'll stay in the right-hand lane. Pedestrian at lights are green. There's a lot of pedestrians around, which is great. I'm assured that none of them are coming into the road. I'm going straight across the roundabout, so I'll only indicate off. Lots of due care and consideration required on roads like this, mostly because there's lots of road users, but this is the situation where you have to be thinking for others as well, because someone might decide to change lane quickly because they've, suddenly realised they've missed their junction or roundabout. No fire. Straight across the roundabout I need to go. Nothing to my right. Cars waiting on the left. Indicate off the roundabout. I'm going to go in the right-hand lane. It's all clear to my right. And the reason I'm going in the right-hand lane is that when I get to the roundabout around the corner here, I'm going straight across. And I believe the left-hand lane is to go left down to Wincheap. No, there is a left-hand filter, so I can go into this lane. Let's do that. It's a funny one, this, because there are quite a few lanes that suddenly only go left and you find yourself in the wrong lane. Both minis, only one indicated off. So as I say, the lane up ahead on the next roundabout, if you're in the left-hand lane, you have to go left. So I'm going to go into the right-hand lane because I'm going straight across. Will either of these 2 minis realise they're in the wrong lane and suddenly try and veer into this lane? Nothing to my right. Straight across, indicate off the roundabout. Checking to my left just in case. Traffic is slowing, which governs my own speed. Car coming out of junction or drive. It's a little bit of the whole live and let live, isn't it? We're sharing the roads with everybody, so have a little courtesy, let people out. If you're in a long string of traffic, it doesn't do any harm to let someone out. Round past the Westgate Towers. Isn't that a bit majestic? Café des Amis. Mexican food. I've never been in there. Might be worth a shot. Right, I want to go right on this roundabout, so indicate. I can't get onto the lane. It's moving now. I wasn't entering the roundabout because I might have blocked it, you see. Traffic lights. Pedestrians everywhere here. A motorcyclist getting off his bike. Pedestrians to my left. Traffic lights, roundabouts, pedestrians, so much to keep aware of. Cars stopping. I want to go across the roundabout. I will indicate off, as the taxi has done. That lets those people on that side know that I'm coming off the roundabout. Because they will approach the roundabout and they'll be looking, won't they, to their right to see what I'm doing. So it's always a good idea to have a little bit of indicator. Car at drive. Zebra crossing ahead. Lots of traffic. Certainly worth keeping your distance in a situation like this. 2 or 3 cars distance gives you time to react and time to brake. I want to go right on this roundabout, so I shall select my lane if there is one. On. Doesn't look like there's a lane divider. Yes, there is. Ever so slight, only at the end. Nothing to my right. Round we go. Indicate off the roundabout. And we're nearly at the road closed, which is just up ahead. So basically I've done the whole circle other than getting to the other roundabout. So that was it. A little tour around Canterbury's Ring Road. Quite interesting. Drop me a comment if you saw any hazards that I missed, and I will see you in another video. Bye for now. Drive with care.